This Kenny the Trucker Chapman here, man. I'm still here in training. We're here, well, still here in CDL school. We're here at this place in Ozark, Arkansas. It's a real nice ass this is called a travel center. I had to go get my phone. It's real nice up in here. It got some good food or whatever. Man, I just seen some huge ass chickens, man. Let you guys see these chickens that I just seen on this truck from Tyson. That's why I don't eat this shit no more. One of the main reasons. You guys finna see how big these chickens are. Look how big that shit is, y'all. Look at that shit right there. You guys see how big those damn chickens are? Those some big ass birds, y'all. That's why I don't eat that shit no more. The birds probably been alive probably about 6 weeks. Look how big they are. Look at that shit. Look at them birds. But yeah, I'm heading back inside, finna eat my lunch. You know, it's 3 of us on the truck today, plus the instructor. It's a real nice place in here. Hello. Real nice. It's a hillbilly hideout. That's the name of the place up in here. But this is what I'm eating: clam chowder for lunch, some crackers. I don't eat meat. Don't eat any of that stuff. But yeah, this is my lunch right here. But hey guys, if any of you guys are in Arkansas, coming down I-40 in the Ozark, Arkansas area, check this place out. It's pretty cool. I said a little bit of everything here. But my lunch is up. Finna get back on this road. And see you guys later.